Hello everyone, I am Bhavika Trivedi and I am into coaching. I coach students of all the age group और मेरा जो subject है that is English. All of you know, English is a concern when it comes to implementing English in day out activities. So you are at the right place. मेरा इंग्लिश पढ़ाने का जो तरीका है it is not with grammar. जब आपने गुजराती सीखी आपने ग्रामर से शुरुआत करी थी, जब आपने हिंदी सीखी ग्रामर से शुरुआत करी थी. So why do you run behind grammar and say कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है? So this is how I really believe I teach my students. English. And English के मेरे जो topic है obviously I give weightage to grammar but only 25%. 75% मैं ये देखती हूँ कि जब आपको जो introduce करना है, जब आपको जो बोलना है, तब आप वो बोल पाओ. And I really think that I have gained this syllabus of mine with a loads of experience. अगर आप कहीं experience की बात करो तो I have been almost more than a decade in the education domain, particularly with the English subject. And I have studied from ICSE board, I have taught in Gujarat board, I have taught in CBSE board, and I have filtered all the differences and created my content. And I'm really happy to tell you that I don't have any PDF, any hard copy printout of my content. Because I really feel that one content does not apply to every learner. हर एक learning की requirement अलग है. And based on that requirement of yours, you will get all the topics, you will get all the content. Now, if I'm teaching a student who is into the CA, learning into and growing into the accounting domain, I can't give the same content to him and a doctor who wants to become a doctor. English is a communication for both of them. It's a language which they both have to learn. So here I stand with a different learning methodology and different learning content when it comes to spoken English. So I really want you people to join my batch and it'll be a great learning, in fact overall learning for all of you. See you all soon in my class. Thank you so much.